Alright, well, I'm just on the back of recovering from being a little bit crook. Not COVID, but something else, probably rhinovirus, I guess. In any case, we're going to do something about this. It's been bugging me and I have had to sit here and not do anything about it. It does need an oil change, although I don't think I'm up for that today. But it definitely needs grease in the outer bearings. We need to inspect these rims. I suspect there is some rust building up on the inside. We might need to pull these off and respray them. We're going to inspect at least, and at some point I need to pull the wheel nuts off and put fresh anti-seize on them and stuff. The problem is when you use these things in brackish water. And I went by the seaside once and got a tiny splash of seawater on here and these rusted right up. So in any case, we're going to get this the straps removed and try and line this up so we can get the grease gun into everything. Can we line these up? Maybe, maybe not. About 5 pumps should be enough. I knew that was going to happen. Now I've got some fun. Well, I was wondering how far I could push the balance without having it hitched. I guess we found it. While it's down here, I might as well grease it up. Oh, that one's free. Alright, let's move up. Pondweed around everything. All right. Now we need to get it back down again. See if we can fix the balance. See. Stay there and don't fall off. Now, the other thing I've got to work out is where all this oil is coming from. It's coming out the drain plugs. Do I have an engine oil leak, or is it just from that one incident where I left the oil filler cap off? and lost manifold vacuum. I'm gonna go check the oil real quick. Let's have a look up here. Well, I'm not losing oil with it sitting, which is good. Although I did lose about a half a litre oil when I left this bit out. Maybe it's transmission. Now I did see a recall notice on these dipsticks allowing oil to come out on the 2021 models, I think. They're issuing new dipsticks. But that appears to be okay. I'm not losing loads of oil. Maybe it's water and chain oil. I don't know. But today, this has just been a really quick one. I needed to do this for my own sanity, so I didn't go nuts. Next most pressing matter is the high level rear lights in the door of that and the loading lights. There's a broken cable I need to fix, and it's a fairly extensive job. I may even replace the rear lights. Coming up sometime in the future is an LED upgrade for these. These have LED drop-in replacement globes, but I have entire headlight assemblies that hopefully should replace those. Anyway, we'll do some more soon enough. I'm going to go clean my hands up.